Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5 early on PS5. However, it is crucial to understand that Forza Horizon 5 is an exclusive title for Xbox consoles and Windows personal computers. This means the game was not developed or released for the PlayStation 5 platform. Consequently, there is no legitimate or official way to play this particular game on a PlayStation 5 console, either early or at any time. Understanding platform exclusivity is key in the gaming world. Many game developers form strategic partnerships with specific console manufacturers, like Microsoft for Xbox or Sony for PlayStation. These agreements mean certain games are exclusively released on one platform, making them unavailable on others. Forza Horizon 5 is a prime example of such an exclusive title, firmly rooted within the Xbox ecosystem. If you wish to experience Forza Horizon 5, you will need an Xbox console, such as the Xbox Series X, Series S, or an Xbox One. Alternatively, the game is fully accessible on Windows personal computers through digital storefronts like Steam or the Microsoft Store. For PlayStation 5 owners, while this specific title is not an option, many other fantastic racing games are available for your console. To reiterate, Forza Horizon 5 is exclusively available on Xbox consoles and personal computers. It is always a good practice to confirm a game's platform compatibility before you plan to play or make a purchase. While this specific title isn't on PlayStation 5, the gaming world offers a vast and exciting array of racing experiences for every console. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.